Morning. Good morning.
I find my job very rewarding, especially when I see my patients coming back happy, being able to do what they want to do. My name is Frangie. I'm one of the orthopedic doctors with UT Physician based out of Sugar Land. During medical school, I just found myself naturally attracted to orthopedic surgery. Seeing patients getting their function back, treating their pain was very rewarding to me. I'm fellowship trained in both joint replacement and sports medicine. I cover the whole spectrum of knee problems, ranging from young patients with simple meniscus injury to ligamentous injury, up to patients who have arthritis. I see patients of all ages, and my aim is to get their mobility back. I spend a long time in clinic listening to my patients and their concerns, and then also long enough time to educate them about their conditions, decide on the treatment plan. I like to work with them as a team to address their issues. Orthopedic surgery have changed over the last few decades. We're not doing any more bigger surgeries. We have shifted more toward minimally invasive surgery. Also, with the addition of robotic surgery and other computer-assisted navigation surgery, this has provided the patient with less pain after surgery, quicker recovery, faster mobility, and definitely a better experience. My hope for every patient is to be able to come back and do what they like. Being a high-level athlete, weekend warrior, or somebody who just wants to walk around the block, my objective is to get their mobility back, alleviate their pain, alleviate their symptoms, and work closely with each one based on their specific needs.